Okay, we're gonna give you a quick tour. We're gonna give you a quick tour. We're gonna give you a tour around the house that we hired. So as you come back, so as we come back here, right there, it's the outdoor area at the front. And that's the entrance. We have to go in that door. Over here is the lounge area, and Dad's watching supercar racing, watching that 500. This is where we can eat, and that's where I sleep. Over there it's where we have the bathroom. Back there is the towels and toilet. And over there, it's where you put your, when you have a shower, you have to stand in the bathroom for that. Over here, it's very cool. And the way to turn on this fan is that you have to pull it down and then up, and then you got to turn on the light switch. Yeah, that's what you do. What's this? It's a fan, but now what I'm going to do, pull that down. That back here is the vacuum cleaner that we're not going to use. You have to stand in the bar for it, yeah. And over here is a bedroom over there that I'm not going to say, but probably not. I'm not going to say whose bed that is or whose bedroom, but that's the first bedroom that you guys are seeing. But when you turn on the light switch like this, it doesn't come on. You have to do it from the lamp here. And over there is the outdoor area, but we'll take a look outside in a second. Underneath's the PS3, but I don't know how you can operate it, but I don't know what's underneath the cupboard, but I'll find out. Now we come back to the lounge area, and over here is the kitchen. But over here we have a washing machine, but I don't know how to operate the system, drying and temperature, delay time, yeah. But if you have a look, see the washing machine. Oh yeah, it's an air dryer that's called. We have our snacks, we have a snack, fridge. So in that fridge here, it's where that butter, full cream and soft drink. That's the fridge. That's a hired one, and the freezer. We have bread, and in there, and then our oven that's in there as well. But in the oven here, it's where we can do that, and the systems right here. I know how to control them, but I don't know. I'm not going to do it for now. I wondered why I done that, but oh, there we go. Turned it off already. And this is a bit tricky here. What you have to do is the way to do this. This is not a button, but if you press that one, it comes out. You have to turn it as well. You have to turn it, and you got to press them back in. Never seen one of those. I wondered why you have to press them and then turned on. We have and this is a double grill. So that's the bottom grill and that's the top grill. That I was wondering. And the top's oven, I would say. Yeah, and over here we have our coffee. We have our coffee machine that is not being used at the moment. We have our sink. We have a toaster and kettle. We have our stove. It's a different stove as I expected. In those cupboards here, where we have the glass. top cupboards, where you get the fuel from, and paper towels and glass as well. And in those cupboards here, there's a lot of space in those cupboards. Wasn't going to go through them, but I'm going to do that right now. Those cupboards are for cutlery that you guys can use in the kitchen as well. And over here, it's our very special dishwasher. We have one of those at school, but except when you pour that open, same beat, same sound, but except look at this. You have the top dishwasher, and then except guess what? You have a bottom dishwasher as well. So you have a double dishwasher as well, something that you expected. So we're going to close that now. And the way to change this, this is start. I'm not going to press that one. So this is how you change it. I'm going to put it on fast because that's what everyone usually does. And here's where you can change what side dishwasher you want. And this is turn on. I'm going to turn that off now because we don't need it on. And that's our microwave, something that we don't use, but it's a tiny microwave I expected in here. You have to turn it on as well. So it says, warning, microwave energy, do not remove this cover. I don't know what that is, but I'll learn about that. We have a door here. Yeah, something a bit unusual, and if you open it, probably to keep the kids safe, I would say. Our tables. So in this hallway here, so that's 2 bedrooms on the right hand and the one at the end. Then on the other side is another bathroom. There's another bathroom here. And then in this hallway here. I'm not going to enter the room, but it's so cool. There's 2 more bedrooms. So one of them's the outdoor area towards the houses, and then on that side you get the view out there. Right. Now I'll come back to that. But when you go to that area here, see, that's the outdoor area for the front. Over here, if you want the air conditioner on, you got to do it off here. Nice control. We're not going to have that on for now because it's not too cold. Now we're going to go to now I'm going to show you the outdoor area now. Go through the kitchen as well. Out here, this is a hired house, so that's all good. So when you come out of this house, so we'll climb down the stairs. This is the outdoor area where people can plant as well. That's the planning. Over here is next door. You can't look in there. Okay, yeah, that. So this is where people can park their cars in the garage, and over there, it's where they can drive their cars around. And when I go around the back, which I'm going to show you now. The next door. Right over here, that's our parked cars here. And when we're in front, that's the front yard. Alright, we're going to go inside now. Going to go around the back. One. That's the back room in here. I'm not going to say. Wow, that's cool. And in here, really weird doors in there. And once you come in here, it's another bathroom. But that's so cool. In here, it's a nice shower as I expected. But when you, I'm gonna go on the left, so when you do this, you gotta do it up here. Switch them off now. Nice mirror. In those cupboards where you can get things. Alright, get out of here now. Well, enough curtains. You can do those as well. Alright, and we'll go back outside now. Yeah, this is our hired house. But if you want to hire this house and you're in Archie Creek, this is 105 Archie Creek Road, hired house.